Are you down with OGT? Yeah, you know me. Oh my gosh, look what we just got in. We're now a official dealer for off-grid trailers. This is the Expedition 3.0 in camouflage, which they have lots of different colors and things you can pick. Kind of just open this up. It's like an unpackaging. We got, comes with your swivel hitch, all your electricals in this compartment. You can kind of see there's an inverter and all the things that make electric go around. You got a giant inside here. They have curtains, good mattress. If you look inside there, you can see there's all kinds of storage compartments and whatnot. Oh, this is the hot water heater, I think. Let's see what's in this little box here. Oh, look at that. It's a full shower. You got your spigot and your thing, and you got your 23.0 ensuite up there so you could just take a shower. You got all kinds of storage back here so you can put whatever you want. That works pretty good. If you go underneath here, they have jacks to stand it up. They have good tires on here. These are brand new. Lots of departure angle, as you can see back here. Here we have the kitchen, which this is a pretty neat deal. So this drops down. You have a stove, Dometic stove, and a sink, full sink in here with a faucet and a drain. You can go right to business. There's a light back here, some plug-ins. I can't beat that. You got all that stuff back here in the storage. It's pretty extensive. I mean, that's, you can put your kids in there. So there's a fan and lights, all that fun stuff. And then lastly, we got a big, ginormous refrigerator, freezer that comes out and opens up here. You got a fridge and a freezer. This thing is super well built, like very, very sturdy. I haven't had it out on the road yet, but we're gonna take it out and do some testing with it. We got lots of storage up here. Got a full roof rack on top. A 270 23.0 awning that will go all the way around and keep you over there. These are made in up north in Canada. Yay, what do they say? Yeah, you know? Yeah, so super awesome. We have these here. Come and check them out. We can order them straight out of Canada or Denver. Hey, thanks for watching Kit Lab. Please like, subscribe, and all that stuff. We'll see you next week. The hunt for adventure starts here. Check our website out, artemisoverland.com.